Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing facts about space that you probably didn't know. We're talking about things that will make you rethink your entire understanding of the cosmos. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. Let's get started. You'd think Mercury, being closest to the Sun, would be the hottest planet. Nope, Venus takes the cake. You see, Venus has this incredibly thick atmosphere, way thicker than Earth's. It's like a giant blanket, trapping all the Sun's heat. Think of it like a runaway greenhouse effect. This makes Venus a scorching inferno, with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. So remember, it's not just about proximity, it's about what's in the air, or in Venus's case, what a lot of air there is. Ever notice how the Sun looks yellowish from Earth? Well, get this, it's actually white. Our atmosphere plays tricks on our eyes, scattering some of the Sun's light, especially the bluer wavelengths. That's why the sky looks blue and the Sun takes on a warmer hue. But if you were to blast off into space, you'd see the Sun in its true, brilliant white glory. It's a star after all, and most stars emit a wide spectrum of light, which we perceive as white. Imagine this, a giant explosion in space, a supernova, the death throes of a star. You're watching it from afar and silence? That's right, in the vacuum of space there's no sound. Sound waves need a medium to travel, like air or water. In space there's mostly just, well, space. It's a vast emptiness, a cosmic void. So all those epic space battles you see in movies with roaring engines and clashing lasers, totally inaccurate, but hey, we can dream, right? Venus is a planet of contradictions. It's a scorching inferno shrouded in thick clouds, and it has a day longer than its year. You heard that right. Venus rotates so slowly that a single rotation, a Venusian day, takes a whopping 243 Earth days. But here's the kicker. It only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, a Venusian year. So on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before the day even ended. Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system, has a secret. It's a lightweight. In fact, Saturn has the lowest density of all the planets in our solar system. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe. Now, imagine a bathtub big enough to hold Saturn. If you could find one, Saturn would actually float. That's right, this gas giant, with its majestic rings, would bob along like a giant rubber ducky. Of course, finding a bathtub that size is a whole other cosmic challenge. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova. They're incredibly dense, like squeezing a star 15 times the mass of our Sun into a sphere the size of Manhattan. Imagine taking Mount Everest and compressing it down to the size of a sugar cube. That's the kind of density we're talking about. Just a teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Pluto, our beloved dwarf planet, often gets a bad rap for its size. And it's true, Pluto is pretty small, even smaller than our own moon. In fact, there are several moons in our solar system that are larger than Pluto, including Ganymede, Titan, Callisto, and our very own moon. But hey, size isn't everything, right? Pluto is still a fascinating and complex world with its own unique geology and history. Ever dream of being lighter? Well, pack your bags for Mars. Because of its lower gravity, you'd weigh about 62% less on Mars than you do on Earth. That means if you weigh 150 pounds on Earth, you'd only weigh about 93 pounds on Mars. Think of all the fun you could have with that reduced weight. You could jump higher, run faster, and lift heavier objects. Just imagine the possibilities. Our moon, a constant presence in our night sky, is slowly but surely drifting away from us. Each year, the moon moves about 1.5 inches farther away from Earth. It's not much, but over millions of years it adds up. This gradual drift is due to the gravitational interactions between the Earth and the moon. Don't worry though, the moon isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It'll be around for billions of years to come. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, filled with more stars than we can possibly imagine. In fact, there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Think about that for a moment. Every grain of sand on every beach, and there are more stars than that. It's a number so large that it's almost impossible to comprehend, and each one of those stars is a sun, potentially with its own system of planets and moons. The possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing space facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. We've only just scratched the surface of the universe's mysteries. There's so much more to discover and explore. So keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and keep your sense of wonder alive. See you next time.